Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Use Basics. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add images in your ChatGPT. To get started with the process, you first need to log in to ChatGPT using your account in chatgpt.com. After you've logged into your ChatGPT account, you now need to get started with a new chat. You can now see a link icon on the left-hand corner of the Message tab in your ChatGPT. Simply click on the icon and now select Upload from Computer. You can now select any images to your liking. And that's it, you've successfully added images to your ChatGPT account. You can also add prompts to ChatGPT asking, "What is in this image?" The image that you've selected has now been integrated into ChatGPT's history. And that's it, you've successfully added images in your ChatGPT account. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.